Hybrid cameras are undoubtedly the best, due to the fact that they incorporate the benefits of mirrorless and DSLR cameras. Despite the market's oversupply, hybrid cameras continue to be released on a regular basis. It can be difficult to select the optimal hybrid camera. From compact options to full-frame powerhouses, we have something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top 5 recommendations for the finest hybrid cameras available in 2023. Very first camera from our list, the Fujifilm X-H2. Boasting the highest resolution ever seen in an APS-C camera, with a 40-megapixel sensor that surpasses most full-frame cameras. Furthermore, it is capable of shooting 8K video, which was previously only achievable with full-frame cameras, and it's matched by a select view. Despite these impressive features, the Fujifilm X-H2 comes at a significantly lower price point than any of the full-frame models with similar capabilities. Usually, high-resolution sensors tend to be slower, but the sensor in the X-H2 maintains a decent speed, despite having a slow readout speed than the one in the April 24, 2023, which uses a different stack design. The Fujifilm X-H2 can reach a maximum burst speed of 15 fps with the mechanical shutter, which puts it on par with most sports cameras in terms of speed. Additionally, Fujifilm refers to the time it takes for the rolling shutter effect to occur. As anticipated, the Fujifilm X-H2 delivers outstanding image quality and lives up to its high-resolution capabilities. It truly sets a new benchmark for APS-C cameras and thus makes its place on our list. Next up, Canon R7 is an advanced crop sensor camera that boasts pro-grade autofocus that can compete with some of the top models, including Sony. Despite being reasonably priced, it has been marketed as a wildlife-focused camera, but it is versatile enough for other types of photography as well. It features a modern 32.5-megapixel sensor and processor that produces exceptional images even in low-light conditions. Although targeted towards enthusiasts, the camera delivers results close to that of professional cameras that you'll enjoy. It also has in-body image stabilization, a rare feature for APS-C camera, and provides up to 7 stops of IBIS, making it stand out in the market. Due to its affordability and unique capabilities, the R7 could also be an excellent option for vloggers, due to its ability to record 4K video, eye tracking, and autofocus features, all of which contribute to high-quality footage. Moreover, it comes with no recording limit, making it more convenient to use. However, the main drawback is the limited availability of compact wide-angle lenses, as well as crop sensor lenses in general. But for a compact body and being a budget-oriented camera, there's nothing much to complain about. Coming up next, the Lumix S5 Mark II is a high-performance camera designed for professional photographers and videographers. It features a full-frame 24.2-megapixel sensor paired with the Venus engine, delivering excellent image and video quality. The camera can record 6K video at 30 fps, 4K video at 60 fps, with a Super 35 crop. It also supports 96-megapixel multi-shot high-resolution photos and up to 30 fps shutter shooting with C autofocus and RAW capture. One of the most significant upgrades in the S5 Mark II is the on-sensor phase detection autofocus, which combines depth awareness with subject recognition tracking for faster and more precise autofocus. The camera's in-body image stabilization has also been improved. It supports dual native ISO technology to minimize the noise in low-light conditions and allows for shooting full sensor height 3:2 open-gate video. The Lumix S5 Mark II also features 14+ stop vlog and V-gamut capture and industry-standard DLUT functions, making it ideal for color grading. Overall, it is a versatile camera suitable for various photography and videography needs, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals in the industry. The Nikon Z9 is a remarkable mirrorless camera with exceptional performance, making it an excellent choice for astrophotography and landscape photography. And it may be more than what is needed. The camera body of the device is both stylish and robust, combining the desirable features of modern mirrorless technology. with the dependable and sturdy design of traditional tools. The Z9 camera is not only smaller and lighter than the D6, but also has a more sophisticated autofocus system, faster burst mode, and can shoot 8K video. Moreover, it's less expensive than other top-end mirrorless cameras such as Sony's Alpha 1. The camera comes with a 3.2-inch touchscreen monitor, and it can be tilted in both vertical and horizontal directions, and can be adjusted on 4 different axes. It also has a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees. The Nikon Z9 features a 45.7-megapixel full-frame stack CMOS sensor and is powered by Nikon's X-Speed 7 processor. This combination, along with a native ISO range of 64 to 25,600 and an advanced noise reduction algorithm, allows the camera to perform well in various lighting conditions with minimal noise. In our opinion, it's a beast, be it the capability or performance. And last but not least, the Sony A7 IV is the most recent version of Sony's flagship A7 full-frame mirrorless camera, representing a significant advancement over its predecessors. It incorporates several of Sony's advancements in autofocus and interface design. The A7 IV incorporates a new 33-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which forms the core of the camera. Despite the sensor's high resolution, the A7 IV can still shoot at a rate of 10 frames per second. However, if you want to shoot in RAW, the camera can only do so in the lossy compressed format and switches to 12-bit mode, resulting in a reduction in dynamic range. On the other hand, the A7 IV provides a lossless compression option for maximum processing flexibility. The camera is full with 4K video, takes approximately 26.5 milliseconds, which is comparable to other cameras in its class. Like its competitors, the A7 IV is expected to drop to a 12-bit readout for video mode. But the process of downsampling from 7K to 4K is likely to reduce noise and preserve the dynamic range, preventing it from dropping to around 12 eV. This feature alone sets the A7 IV apart from the other cameras on this list. That's all of our discussion of the top 5 finest hybrid cameras available in 2023. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be useful, we would appreciate that you give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and share your comments with us in the comment section below. If you'd like to receive more content like this in your feed, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.